Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial series where we will be building a complete admin portal for a medical care center called MediTrack. By the end of these series of videos, you'll have a full working project that includes login, data management, and a clean dashboard. In this project, we're going to build a simple but professional system that helps a clinic manage three things: patients, services, and visits. The admin of the clinic should be able to log in, view how many patients they've seen, update or add visit records, and manage the types of services that they offer. Now, before we start coding, let me show you how we're going to structure our project. We're going to organize the project like this. Notice that I have my MediTrack project folder. I have a folder here called admin, and admin is going to hold our dashboard, patients, services, and visits pages. We also have our CSS folder, and this CSS folder already has my styles.css, which are just some stylings that I have already created, and you can find in the description section of the video, and you can download them. We have our includes folder, and our includes folder is going to hold all of our reusable PHP files, like our database connection. And then finally, we have our meditrack SQL schema, which is our full database setup. And this is what we're going to use to build our database with some example data so that we can start to build the project. Let us now prepare the database for our project. So in PHP MyAdmin, once you've opened up the database monitor, you can go ahead and create a database called MediTrack. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to create a database called MediTrack. And then I'm going to click Create. So now on the left here, you could see that I have a database called MediTrack. Now we already have our database schema. So I'm going to go into my Visual Studio and open this meditrack.sql file, which is included with the tutorial in the description. And I'm going to bring it into my PHP MyAdmin. This SQL file is going to create all of the tables that we need: admins, patients, services, and visits, and even includes some of the sample data that we're going to use. So I'm going to copy all of this, and I'm going to go over to PHP MyAdmin. I'm going to select my MediTrack database, go over to my SQL tab, and I'm going to paste the entire file content into the SQL window. And after doing that, I can go ahead and click Go. If all is well, you should see all of these showing as green. There shouldn't be any red. Once that is done, you can refresh your page, and you will then see that under your MediTrack database, you now have admins, patients, services, and visits. You can go ahead and explore each one and see what's in it. You notice that there's one admin user. We're going to add another one when we're done with our build. We have our patients table, we have our services with some services data, and our patients table has some patients data, and our visits table also has some data as well. So now that our database is set up, we can begin coding our login and registration system in the next video.